This is your best idea ever, Dan. Why have we never done this? This is so fun.
Hey guys, we're super excited for summer. We're coming right up on it, so we have some awesome specials for you to learn to skate at brailleskateboarding.com. Every single day there's gonna be a different item on sale, so you can go to brailleskateboarding.com and check it out. Might be a board, might be a handboard, might be a hat, could be a shirt. You never know what's gonna happen. Go to brailleskateboarding.com, check it out. Every day a different item will be on sale. You can get what you want, and you, yes, you can get out there and learn to skateboard. If you guys live in the local area, you can check out any of our camps or the in-person lessons. Carlos has been teaching a ton of people how to skate, so you definitely want to get in on that. If you don't live in the area, we have tons of tutorial videos, all of the Skateboarding Made Simple volumes. You can also submit a skate support and sign up at Braille University to learn how to skateboard, film, edit, make awesome videos, and run your YouTube channel. All right guys, so get out there and skate and let's have an awesome summer.
How are you guys doing today? Welcome to the Braille Skateboarding channel. My name is Gabe Cruz, and today we're here for a skate experiment, which is the moving skate obstacles. I have a lot of saliva in my mouth. I'm coming back from a cold, and you know, like when you can't breathe through your nose, so you just have to breathe through your mouth, and then a lot of saliva is...
He got a pain in his chest and he can't breathe.
Anyway, so we were gonna use that one. We were like, you know, once you add an extra 2 or 3 inches onto the trucks, we're not gonna be able to pop that high. What are we, professionals? No, we're not. I'm a poser. That being said, we're gonna use that one, which is built by 2x4s. Carlos, throw me a truck. Thanks. We're gonna use cruiser trucks because we have a lot of pebbles in here. It's most likely you're gonna hit a pebble and stop, and then one of us, it's just loud. One of us is gonna clip and fall. It's not gonna be bad because it's just a box. But my question is, so we're doing moving skate obstacles, right? Does that mean we can also move, or we stay still?
Well, both, but I would say stationary.
Basically, what Dan is saying is that we're gonna have to push the boxes long enough so that we can stand stationary and say we wanted to do an ollie manual. Just be like,
The idea is the obstacle is moving and you're kinda not. I just want a nose manual. Can I nose manual it?
I want to manual it.
I just want to skate it. And then maybe take a nap.
This is the easiest build ever. Yes! That was some premium suck. All right, we good. Assistance! Oh, yeah!
That's crazy. 3 people on one side and Gabe on the other.
Your boy, look at that. Oh, no. Oh, I'm off.
Oh no!
Where's my board? Give me a board. I'm gonna do a trick on it while it's moving. Wait, something's wrong here. No!
Yes, that's what we need.
The disrespect around here.
Hey.
My body feels like jello.
Why have we never done this?
Hey,
This
Gabe,
is so fun, yeah.
I'm gonna say this before anyone else does.
Yes.
This is my best idea ever.
This is your best idea ever, Dan.
I want to recreate Roddy Mullen's nose manual ollie flip.
Yeah.
That's my
Please.
primary goal.
That's what I envisioned always.
No!
You need to stop.
We need protection, man. And Fetty doesn't even care, he's just waxing me.
This makes waxing so much easier.
You gonna clear it?
Yeah, I'm gonna clear. I think that'll work. Just gotta push it fast enough, right? This is tight. Great idea.
Whoa. Whoa. Easy. That's what I wanted to see.
I'm landing that.
I was not ready for that.
Ah, dude. Can we go faster? Oh my God.
It's like, it looks easy, but it's actually really hard, dude.
If I could break that like a board, I would. You know, Dan, I've been waiting for a time in my life where no one complained about how slow I skated. Finally, it is that time.
Got a little bit of hang time right there, bro. It's tubular.
You want me to dolphin flip for you right now?
Yeah.
You want me to dolphin flip? Right here, Carlos. Is that it?
A
Wait,
genuine
did mine
shot.
look like that? Wait, was that it, Carlos?
You did it better than me.
Yeah,
I
you
can't
like-
do it.
Yeah.
So much for that.
Scary.
I just gotta time it with the wall.
Was I supposed to catch that?
This thing just destroys
Can
anything.
you do it, Fetty?
Yeah,
right.
I'll try.
That moved the whole wall.
If the Braille House collapses tonight, Aaron, I'm so sorry.
I think I can probably do it. Yeah. Might just go for a back 180. It's a lot easier.
Do you see what it did? Cracked that. That literally just cracked because of it getting hit.
The whole warehouse is about to collapse.
It's not worth the walls.
Pop, lock, and drop it. If we keep going, we're just gonna ruin this route.
All right, Dan. So basically, we broke the box. Carlos wants to do the moving curb. Most technologically advanced setup of all time. Put the curb on top of it, gonna roll that, and hopefully it's not like, I think someone's gonna get wheel bite and die, but that's just my opinion. So here's what happened.
The box broke.
The box broke. No, they already know that.
Oh,
They
oh.
don't know is what happened over there.
What, you went swimming?
I went swimming with the dolphins, and I got distracted for about 20 minutes. But now we're back. Yeah, the guys had to build this
We
contraption
had to.
here.
So what we did here is we
I
took the
saw
parking curb that's $17 from Home Depot, right? We took the 2x4, sawed it off to where now it's lined up. Gabe had the cool idea to put 4-inch screws down the middle, so it'll hold it better, but still not really too stable.
Feels-
It's a moving obstacle, so we like a challenge. Let's do it.
Carlos, what do you think of doing? Nose blending the whole thing? You could
I
back
could-
blunt
I
the whole
could
thing,
do
Fetty.
Blunt.
You do back blunt, I'll do nose blunt.
Deal.
This thing is heavy. Ah. Oh, that's so scary.
That's what we should do.
Wow.
You do back lip, I'll do front lip.
What are you trying?
Tried a big spin board slide, but it just threw me off.
Carlos, do you want to do a stationary one?
I need to wax my board.
And no way. Oh, that was so sick.
That was crazy.
Oh, you got that. We almost collided heads.
You see that?
Where's the wax? That's much better. Ah, just grind.
Oh, that was it.
Okay, I figured it out.
I'm glad I'm not the one doing this right now. I don't even want to know.
It worked.
That's what you were trying, right? To do a no slide and then slide out, almost die, and then like avoid that, right? The block is lava.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, you got that. You almost got a curb up your butt.
Almost, but I almost didn't. But almost did. You think I could half cab no slide 270 like lip?
That's terrifying.
Ooh, what a save. Were you a first baseman in your past life? Yep, okay. You hear my my V8 engine in this thing? Oh, that was the Juan de Leon. I got like way on top of that one too. I was like, this is it, brother.
Yeah, I hear we got a situation out here.
What is that?
What is this situation? He's gonna do that nose slide and ollie big spin board slide. That's the situation. I tell you what, brother.
No!
It's just a big spin. Don't think about the board.
I didn't think about the board slide.
Yeah, Fetty. Are you in this outro or is he in this outro?
Sure, I was in this whole video.
You were in part of it.
That video took longer because we had to literally build everything.
Dude,
and
it was very experimental.
Yeah, it was a lot of science in that, but it was
Yeah,
fun.
it took a long time to build that stupid curb. We didn't film any of the curb build because it was just freaking annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
right.
that took a while off camera.
Yeah.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and click them. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below.
Below.
Hello.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs.
All right, Dan.